HP Easy Start is an app that simplifies downloading and installing the software and driver for your HP printer. Follow this step to download HP Easy Start to your computer. Go to 123.hp.com. Type LaserJet in the search field. From the list that appears, select your model number and click Begin. Click Download. Connect one end of the USB cable to the printer and the other end to the computer. The printer can also be connected to the computer through a network connection.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your Netgear range extender device, get in touch with our Netgear experts.
On your Mac, navigate to the HP Easy Start file and double-click the icon. Click Set up my HP product. Check the box to agree to the terms, and then click Continue. Click Continue. Select your printer and click Continue. Select your location and language, and then click Continue. Click the checkbox to agree to the terms, and then click Continue. Select your product information, and then click Continue. Click Install. The installation might take several minutes. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click Add Printer. Select your printer, and then click Add. Click Print Test Page, and then click Continue. Click Continue. Click Continue Online to finish online configurations.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos, and in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.